Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the equal payment series singing fund. So in the last class, last video, we were discussed about the present work method. So the continuation of that. So in this type of investment mode, the objective is to find the equivalent amount, that is A, that should be deposited at the end of every interest period. For n interest periods, to realize a future sum which we can call as a F at the end of nth interest period at the interest rate of I. The corresponding cash flow diagram, which is shows in this slide, right? So there will be a equivalent uh, amount which is deposited at the end of each year, right? And we have a corresponding formula. So A is nothing but the equal amount to be deposited at the end of each interest period, and n is the number of interest period, and I is the rate of interest, and f is the single future amount at the end of nth period. And this is the formula, right? So A is equal to f I divided by 1 plus I power n minus 1, and the corresponding equivalent you can able to get the value from the interest table, f of a by f comma I comma n, which is called as a equivalent payment series singing fund factor. So the corresponding problem we can see here. A company has to replace a present facility after 15 years at an outlay of 5 lakhs. It plans to deposit an equivalent amount at the end of every year for the next 15 years at an interest rate of 18 percentage compound annually. Find the equivalent amount that must be deposited at the end of every 15th years, right? So F is nothing but the outlay, 5 lakhs, and N is nothing but 15 years, and I is nothing but 18 percentage. So you can check with the interest rate table, which is 18 percentage, and we have to find the A, that equal amount which is deposited at the end of every year. So this is the corresponding cash flow diagram, and this is a formula which we have to use. So we have to include all the value, and this 0.0164 you can get it from the interest table with a percentage of 18 for corresponding 15 years, or you can able to calculate it, right? And the final amount of the equal amount is 8,200. So the annual equal amount which must be deposited for 15 years is rupees 8,200, right? So I hope you understand about the equal payment series singing fund. Thank you.